Hey guys, welcome to another lunchtime review. Today I'm going to try this Marie Callender's, if I can pick it up, golden battered fish fillet. It's fish fillets with a seasoned rice. The cat's trying to get here. Give me a cat. With a seasoned rice pilaf and broccoli and a creamy cheese sauce. The cat wanted the fish too. It is 430 calories. It looks pretty good. Let's see, here's the nutritional information beyond the calories if you want to see it. Not too bad. The sodium's like, wow, way above what I would normally eat. So microwave, it's the only thing they have is microwave. So you cut and remove cover over fish, cut a slit in the cover over the vegetables, microwave for 3 minutes, rearrange the fish, microwave an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Let stand 2 minutes, check to make sure. Oh, and there's the conventional oven if you want to bake it. So let's see what it looks like. Cat is joining me up here for my lunchtime review. Hello, Chapel. Chapel. He's helping me do my review. He's ignoring me right now. Okay. There's the meal before I get it in the microwave. So I'm going to just cut this whole section off right here and leave this part covered. So I'm going to do that and get it in the microwave, and I will be back. Okay, here's the meal straight out of the microwave. Have not stirred it or anything. Broccoli seems to be well cooked. It's not hard. It's kind of it's tender, so that's good. The fish looks okay. I don't really like fish with like squishy breading, so this might be interesting. But because the breading looks kind of well, that one doesn't look bad, but this one kind of looked. Yeah, maybe it's not as bad as I thought. We'll see. The rice is dried on the edges, which is typical for most microwave rices. They get kind of dried out, so you can kind of break them up a little bit. So I'm going to stir this up a little bit and maybe break it up a little bit, and we'll see what it tastes like. I do have to say, it is a fish and broccoli meal. So if you have an office mate, or if you are making this in a common area where a bunch of people are, they may not like you much because it'll smell like fishy broccoli. So it's kind of stinky. It's not really super strong stinky, but it is a little stinky. Just warning you ahead of time. If you get this, they may run you out of the building and never let you come back. But anyway, I'll be back to let you know what it tastes like. I'm going to try some of the broccoli first because I like broccoli. I like broccoli and cheese. There's the bite I'm going to try. Still hot. That's pretty good, actually. You can really taste the cheese. You can taste the broccoli's really good and well cooked. It's not so squishy that it's overcooked, but it's not so firm that it's undercooked either. It's not like a steamed broccoli. It's like you boiled broccoli, but you took it out just a little bit before it was completely done, like for a casserole. So it's really good. I like it. I don't really like steamed broccoli. I like a cooked broccoli, so I think it's a perfect texture. The rice, I'm expecting the rice to be fairly bland. And it is. It kind of reminds you of a little bit of a rice-a-roni without the really strong chicken flavor. The fish, I don't think I'll be able to taste the fish without the rice, so I'm just going to eat it. I'm going to eat the fish and the rice all together. And I'll show you what the fish looks like inside too. That fish has a really good flavor. Let me see. Let me see if I can get down there. There's the fish. It's a very flaky piece of fish. It has a really good flavor. It kind of reminds you of a fish sticky kind of flavor, but it's not bad. It's not as bad as some of the fish sticks that you bake. This one's a lot better than that. It has a lot of flavor to it. It's very, it's not so fishy that it's like halibut or something, but it does have a fish flavor to it, so that's good. Overall, this meal's pretty good so far. I don't have any complaints about it. Like I said, it does make your office and the room kind of smelly for a little while, but it has a really good flavor to it. Calorie-wise, for 430 calories for the size of the meal it is, that's actually not too bad. I mean, this is a pretty good sized meal. This is almost like a Hunger Man meal variety, so it's a pretty good sized meal. Honestly, I like the flavors of this enough to where I would probably get this one again very easily. So I would give this one a 4.5 to 5 because it's a really good flavor, really good textures. The fish, I was worried about the breading being squishy, but it's not. It's not squishy at all. It's a good, firm breading. The broccoli is well cooked and well seasoned, so everything's really good on there. It has enough sodium in there to kill a horse, so if you're watching your sodium, you don't want this meal. But overall, yeah, 4.5 to 5, somewhere around in there. I would definitely get it again.